Magandang araw! It's Thursday na nga pala. Napakabilis lang ng panahon. Napag-isipan ko nga pala na gumawa ng yema cake. Paborito ko nga ito nung bata pa ako. So sa isang bowl naglagay nga pala ako ng harina. Naglagay din ng baking powder, salt at saka sugar. Mix together. At ngayon naman, gagawa tayo ng ating wet ingredient. Kakailanganin nga pala natin ng 3 egg yolk. Isi-separate lang natin, isi-side natin yung egg white. At maghahalo tayo ng gatas, oil at saka vanilla essence. So halu-haluin lang natin ito mix together. Pagkatapos, ihahalo natin ito sa ating dry ingredients. So ang yema cake, napakasarap talaga. Very popular sa Pilipinas of course. Kahit naman dito sa New Zealand, yung mga Pinoy, naghahanap talaga ng yema cake. So ngayon nga pala is gagawa tayo ng ating mirang. Napakasimple lang naman. Sa isang bowl, naglagay ako ng egg white, yung sineparate natin kanina. At maghahalo din tayo ng cream of tartar at sugar. So paunti-unti lang, gradually lang yung paglagay ng sugar while nagbibit ka ng iyong mirang. So imimix mo lang ito hanggang sa maging stiff na yung itsura ng ating mirang. After nga pala ng ilang minuto, ready na ito, stiff na yung itsura. At pag binaliktad mo yung bowl is hindi nababagsak yung ating mirang. So alam nyo ilang beses na talaga akong gumawa ng sponge cake o yung chiffon cake. At palagi talagang bumabagsak, hindi talaga na-perfect. Kaya naman ngayon, hopefully, successful na yung paggawa na ng ating chiffon cake at paggawa ng ating yema cake. So first time ko ring mag-bake ng yema cake. So nanood ako of course sa YouTube ng step by step kung paano ma-perfect yung ating chiffon cake. So i-bake natin ito sa oven, 175 degrees for around 40 to 45 minutes. At while naghihintay tayo na maluto yung ating mirang, hindi pala mirang, chiffon cake, magbi-mix na tayo ng ating frosting. So ito nga pala yung yema cake frosting. Naghalo nga pala ako ng condensed milk, egg yolk at saka evaporated milk. I-chill lang natin yung pag-ukay-ukay ng ating frosting hanggang sa maging thick na ito. After nga pala ilang minutong pag-ukay-ukay is naluto na yung ating frosting at maglalagay tayo ng butter. Ngayon naman ilalagay natin ito sa ating bowl at lalagyan lang natin ito ng ating glad wrap. Cover lang natin ito at hayaan na natin itong mag-rest. Ngayon nga pala is naluto na yung ating chiffon cake at na-perfect ko nga pala hindi bumagsak. First time kong mag-success sa paggawa ng chiffon cake. So ready na nga pala lagyan ng frosting. Spread lang natin ito. So naalala ko talaga before, nakikita ko yung yema cake binibenta. Naglalaway talaga ako, tiniisip ko hindi ko talaga afford bumili ng yema cake. So fortunately now, kayang-kaya nating gumawa ng yema cake on our own. Napakadali lang palang gawin. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng pasensya at oras. So ngayon nga pala nalagay na natin yung lahat ng frosting. At ayan na, ready na yung ating yema cake. Mommy made some delicious yema cake.
That looks like not a sponge cake.
It is a sponge cake. And Daddy will cut it for you guys. Don't touch it please. It's very special to Mommy. It's Mommy's first time of attempt of making the sponge cake perfectly. So I'm so excited to taste this.
So ugly.
Hi! It's not ugly.
It's so not.
What is here?
Cry.
It's sponge cake inside. Look. You just have it's made of
No.
Wow! Look at that. Let me see that. Oh.
But what does it smell like?
Spoon?
Yummy side? Oh, see, delicious. Look at Silas. Is it ugly? And now look at him. I'll get you some drink, okay? Delicious. Daddy gonna have
It's
some.
tacos.
You're not very organised, was
It's
she?
burning tacos. Tacos.
Oh, how do you find it, guys? Is it yummy?
No.
Did Mommy make it?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Oh, why?
Good. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
Aww.
What do you say, Soy?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Wow! Silas loves it.
I picked
He's gonna taste it.
Then what do you rate it out?
9 out of 10.
I rate it out of 7
But 10 out of 10 if I had cream filling.
Mmm.
Yeah, me too.
Mmm. Delicious.
Filling.
What's wrong with this one?
It's just dry. Not dry, it just needs something to break up the...
So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at sa susunod naman na vlog,